Hello friends, I am Dr. Radhika Goel, Assistant Professor in Biani Group of Colleges. Welcome you all on the behalf of Guru KPU. Today I am delivering you a lecture on the group. What do you mean by group? A non-empty set G with a operation star is called group if it satisfies following conditions. First one is closed. Closed means if A and B are two elements of G, then A star B should be element of G. Second one is associative. What do you mean by associative? If A, B and C are three elements in G, then A star B, then star C should be equal to A star B star C. Third one is existence of identity. Means for all A belongings to Z, there exists an element E in G such that A star E is equals to A is equals to E star A. In this situation, this E is called identity for G. Now, fourth one is existence of inverse. For each element of G, there exists a element B in G such that A star B is equals to B star A. In this case, this B is called inverse of A and it is denoted by A inverse, where E is identity of the group G. If G satisfies these four conditions, then we say that G is group for this operation. And if you say that G is with binary operation, then closed property is not necessary because binary is itself a closed property, right? Now, abelian group. What do you mean by abelian group? If a group G star is commutative, means if for all A star B is equals to B star A, then G is called abelian group. For example, let us take Z plus, where this Z is set of integers and your operation is plus. You all know that plus is closed because when you add two integers, you can get integer. That means this satisfies closed property. Now come to associative property. You know that if you add A plus B and then add C is equals to A plus B plus C, that means this satisfies associative property. Existence of identity. You know that G is element of Z, 0 is element of Z, and if you add 0 in any integer, then you can get that integer. That means identity element also exists in Z. Now, what is about inverse element? You know that if A is element of Z, then minus A is also element of Z, and when you add A in minus A, then you get 0, which is identity. That means this condition is satisfied. So, for Z plus, these all four conditions are satisfied. So, Z plus is a group. Now, this is a abelian or not? You know that A plus B is equals to B plus A always. So, this is a abelian group. For more details, please log on www.gurukpu.com. Thank you and thank you.